Check out this AGLUCKY ice maker. Now this is a fantastic ice maker, and I was sent this in the mail by the company. So we're actually going to run through this and see how it makes ice, and it creates up to 9 different ice cubes each time it creates some ice. So before we start it running, let's open this up and we can see that there is a little ice tray in here that catches the ice once it's been made. Alright, so I hit the power on and it's starting to make large ice cubes. And you can choose whether you want small or large by hitting this select button up here. And it's just going to start to create that ice based on what we have here. Now as it's making ice, there is a scoop that comes with it as well, which you can scoop out the ice once it's been made, and it will be made inside this part right here before it then drops and is moved into the tray, and then it'll just continue to make ice as you go through that process. Now once it's been dropped into the tray, you can scoop it out and place it in like an ice container for your freezer. You can put it in a drink as well, and as you can hear, it's a very low noise for this ice maker. It's not making too much noise at all. Let's listen to that for just a second. That's it. It's just a low hum that is, has the fans running on either side. And so you don't want to place this too close to anything. You want to give it some space as well, just to have room for those fans, because there is refrigerant in this machine that is highly flammable. So you don't want to have too many things on top of this ice maker. Now I did pour some water into this machine. What I did was I took out this tray, poured some water in, and there's a max level. You don't want to go above that max level, because once the tray goes back in and the ice is made, it'll then drop into the tray, and you don't want that water to hit your ice as it is sitting there. Now this is still running. It's going to take a few minutes to actually get the ice made, but we did make some ice beforehand, and here it is. As you can see, it is just a little hole that goes into an ice cube, and that's what is on this ice maker. It just creates that ice by, as I said, 9 different little ice makers in this machine. Then it'll create this ice, and that is the type of ice that we'll have when we complete this process. Now there's also a cleaning process for this machine. So when you pour some water in there and you hit clean, it'll take about 30 minutes for it to self-clean. It'll just make sure those ice makers that are in the machine get watered down and just wash away any extra dirt, and it'll clean the rest of the machine as it goes through that process as well. And it is just a really nice machine that we have that we can save space by having it in our kitchen, and we'll never run out of ice again, because we'll always have this machine ready to go. It'll make ice in a few minutes, and then it'll be, we'll just have it running for, like, if we're having drinks with ice, like iced drinks, having some lemonade or some iced tea, we'll just have this running, and it'll just keep creating ice, and it'll just, keep going until the ice tray is full. It'll then let us know on top, up here, there's an ice full indicator as well, right next to the add water indicator. So anything that needs to happen with this machine, it'll tell us. Alright, so there it is, dropping the rest of the water. You can see the ice cubes underneath. They will then fall down, just like so. And now we have 9 ice cubes ready to go. And then the machine will then lift them up with this little tray and push them into the ice basket. So as you saw, our ice was made and it is poured into this ice basket. Now we can just scoop it out if we wanted to, or we could lift the tray out just like this so that you can see the ice is in there. So let's pour this into a drink, just like this. And there we go. That is perfect for what we need, is have a really cool drink and have it for quite some time. And this has just been a really awesome addition to our kitchen setup, and it really saves us a lot of space. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.